Got it. Hi, Rahul.
Hi, sir.
So what is your demo today?
Sir, my demo is today regarding the as a developer, I want to containerize a Flask application and deploy it is to the Azure Docker, so that can be ensure uh, portability, scalability, and efficient cloud-based application hosting.
So this is second demo in Docker, right?
Yeah, this is second demo on Docker.
Okay, go ahead.
So, hello, my name is Rahul Patil from Mumbai. I have 4 years of experience in machine learning domain. So today's my demo regarding the as a one developer want to containerize a Flask, and I deploy the Flask on the Azure virtual machine, and then I show the output on the with the help of the on different browser. So this is my demo for today. So this demo is done through the job coaching, and here is a my LinkedIn ID, and his my coach name is Shanti Kumar V, and here is Sir's LinkedIn ID, and the here URL here Ves Kumar coaching.com is Sir's URLs. So in today's demo, that's regarding the deployment of Flask application on the web server. So so after that, my moving to next second slide. So here is a user requirement. A user requirement of this use case is to create and deploy a Flask application inside a Docker container, as then host it is on the Azure virtual machine. This deployment process will allow easy and scalable and portable of the application while using Docker containerization capability and Azure instruction. So this is a overall requirement of the this use case. So here you can see we have to develop a Flask application, then containerize with the Docker and deploy it on the Azure virtual machine. So this is the overall user requirement. So now I move to the next slide. So here is a next slide is a user story. In user story, a developer want to containerize Flask application using Docker and deploy on the Azure virtual machine. So here you can see the in this pictorial here what is the where we can deploy Azure on Azure virtual machine, and you can access remotely. And here for the deployment purpose, we use the containerization of, with the help of Docker. And what is the benefit you get from this? So our application will be accessible, scalability and accessibility is there, and portability also is there while after deployment of the our app. Now for this purpose for then my next slide is regarding the demo objective. So the demo objective was the demo aim to showcase the process of containerization of Flask application using Docker and deploying it to an Azure virtual machine. It highlight containerization, Docker image management, and cloud deployment to demonstrate application accessibility and scalability. The goal is to illustrate an efficient reusable workflow for cloud-based application hosting. So this is a whole overall demo of this our uh, use case. So in here pictorial form you can see that we initially we create a Docker container for the app, then handling Docker image for deployment, then setting up the application on Azure, and showing the remote accessibility, and then check the validity of that particular app. So this is overall our objective of the this particular demo. To perform this demo, I use AI script. So to it give me the step by step process how to perform this activity use case. So I give the prompt AI script. I need to create this Docker process. So please write the detailed steps. So first what, create a Docker image for the Flask application on your local virtual machine. Second is upload the Docker image to your Docker Hub account. Third is access the Docker image from your Azure virtual machine. And then fourth is open the Docker image on the Azure virtual machine and demonstrate its uses. So here this is the overall my this AI prompt. So when I give this AI prompt to the Copilot, so it give me this output. You see, So it says that set a project repository, then create a app Python file for require. Then you can create a requirement.txt, then create a Docker file, then we build a Docker image, then verify the Docker image, then upload the Docker image to the Docker Hub by after login into the there, then tag your Docker image, then push the Docker image to Docker Hub, then verify the image is pushed on Docker Hub or not. Then you have to create a virtual machine. After logging into virtual machine, you have to uh, install the Docker. After installing Docker, you have to log into Docker and then pull the image and show the output. So this is the overall flow of this use case. So this flow also I can show in my this pictorial form also. Create Docker image, upload Docker Hub, upload to the Docker Hub, access from the Azure Virtual Machine, and demonstrate the uses. So this is overall AI script here to perform this task. So what will the task to be performed? So there are this is are the list of tasks we have to one by one follow to perform this task. So I have to first set up class application, prepare application dependency, create Docker file, build the test Docker image, upload Docker image to Docker Hub, then provide the Azure virtual means create a Azure virtual machine, deploy Docker container on Azure VM, and verify the application accessibility. So this task we have to perform. Hmm. So here is you can see the pictorial form. Same task I have represent in the pictorial form. So now moving to the next. So here you can see here with the help of doc image, I have to. This is a screenshot I show the performing while performing the practice. So there here I create the one images Docker images. Then after creating the Docker images, I test first of all test on the local host. After testing on the local host, now I am to log in on the Docker using Docker login, and after login, then I push the my Docker image that created back in my local machine to the Azure Docker Hub. After pushing for that purpose, before pushing, we have to log in into the Azure Docker login you have to perform, and authentication when the succeed, then we can perform the push operation. After performing the push operation, you can here see that here the Docker image is present. My Docker images here you can see on Docker Hub. After push happen, now I have to create a virtual machine. So I create a Azure virtual machine on Azure. Then after creating the Azure virtual machine, then I update and then I log in into my Azure virtual machine and perform all the tasks, code commands like login into Azure virtual machine. Then after update all the packages. After successful updation package, then I install the Docker. After installing the Docker, I log in into the Docker. Then after logging in Docker, then I pull the images from the Docker Hub, and after pulling the image, I show the output as like this on the uh, with the help of IP address on the web browser. So and this is the overall flow I am showing on the PPT demonstration. So this is the last PPT regarding my coach information. So this is the overall flow I am perform in this particular tasks. Now I am going to perform these tasks in the lab in live. So now I show you. Now this is my file. In that file, I have three files. So three files. That is a requirement.txt. Here requirement flash 2.0.2, then workzap 2.0, and Unicorn, this 20.1. This is all the version I mentioned. Then here is app.py. Here is a Flask app, simple app I have present, and I mentioned port 80. And here is my Docker file. Here from Python 3.9. From 3.9, I have to take the all the versions for Python. working directory I mentioned, they copy all the requirement.txt's. So I have to install, then run the pip install. So I have to install all the Flask and requirement.txt. For that purpose, I run install the Python dependency. For that, I perform this code. Then copy the all the rest of the application code inside the container. For that, perform I this code, and then I use port 80 to showcase the output to the output, and then I have to run the application. So for that, cmd command to run the application app.py file. So these are the three files I have put inside my inside my folder to run. So now I open this directory in bash. So now I am in this. So now I perform ls. So here you see my three files, app.py. There's a Python file. In this file, I have a Flask code. There's a requirements, the Flask requirement, and Docker file for creation of images. Now, afterward, now I have to build the uh, my this what Docker image. So for that purpose, I have one command. This known as, so I give plus demo. Now enter. Okay. Now image created. So here you can see the first images I created. Flask demo latest, tag is latest. So now my image got created. So afterward, I have to run the my container, run the Docker container. So for this, I have this command to run the container. To execute the image, I run the container. Yes. Now container also successfully executed. Want to see on the local host, I can see here also what inside my that Flask. So hello Docker, it is there. Or I show you there in my dev app.py file. So uh, now I have to perform the container running or not. So for that purpose, I have this command docker.ps. So this is my container is running currently. Now I have to perform login operation. So I have to, because now I have to push the image to the Docker hub. So for that purpose, I have to log in inside the Docker. So checking for authentication. Yes, my login is succeed. After succeed login, now I have to push the image to the, so that for this I have to first tag the images before pushing. And this is my image ID. I put my uh, image name, that Flask search demo, and then I run this command. Yes. Now this tagging completed. After completion of tag, now I have to push the command. Then I paste this push command and hit on enter. So process start. Okay, push activity successful. You can see here also. In repository, this less than minute ago, Flask demo 1. So here I pushed it, my latest image, Flask demo 1. So after completion of this demo, means pushing, now I am going to create my Azure virtual machine. Now I give the name to the resource group. Class resource group. Give virtual machine name. And I kept region as it is. Choose image as Ubuntu. Size kept as it is. And I use password. Username. And insert password. Okay. Now I select port 80 also because I am a host on the port 80. Then review and create. Yes. So creation of virtual machine started, and now I am hit on the create button. Deployment is in progress for creation of virtual machine. Go to resource. Yes, here you can see my IP address got generated. Now I open command prompt. Sorry, Cloud Shell, and log in into the my virtual machine. Yes. Now I enter my username and IP address to enter inside the machine. Yes, authentication. Now I put my password. Yes, now I am inside my virtual machine. Now I have to update packages. For that purpose, I have command sudo update. Best. Yes, fetching the updation. Yes. Now updation successfully completed. Then next I have to install my Docker inside this my virtual machine. So for that purpose, I have installed Docker command. So now execute this command. So installation of Docker still in progress. Scanning process. Yes. Now we install the our Docker inside my virtual machine, Azure virtual machine. Now I have to next start the Docker. So for this sudo systematic Docker. This command I have to run. And enable the Docker. For this, I run this command. Now I have to perform the login operation. So for that, I use sudo docker login command to go perform login operation, because I have to do login and fetch the my Docker image from the Docker app. So for that purpose, I have to firstly log in inside the Docker. So I have to now put my username. And password. Now I successfully log in inside my Docker. Here you can see login succeed. Now I have to pull my image. For that purpose, I have this command sudo pull. So extraction of image start. pull completed. So status is pull completed. After completion of pull, now I have to run the container. Now I am running the container. Now container run start or containers running completed. Now I have to test with this public IP. So now I copy my public address, IP address from here.
You can share to us. We will test.
Yes. So wait, I have to do 80. So wait, not port 8080. This is port is 80. So you can check from your side also if it is coming on.
Yeah, copy. Maybe you also test it. Is it coming to your page?
No, sir, 1 minute.
No, there is some error. Access error. I think you have not assigned the URL
Wait, sir.
correctly.
Okay, sir, wait. Now I think I have to choose port. So I choose port. Wait, on going to virtual machine. Networking. Yes, to add this port.
You're done for HTTPD image, right? 2 days back, right?
Yes.
For that, what is the port used?
8080.
It was working from virtual machine, right? Azure virtual machine, right? Try direct IP also. No, direct IP is not
Sir.
working.
Sir, here is working. You can see hello Docker. So I give this
without port number. You mean to say 0082?
Sir, means I have to update the port 800. Now you can check here. I insert one port 800. Now you
Yes,
can
sir,
check.
it's working, sir. Yes, it's working.
80 error, 8080.
8080.
No, you copy the exact one. You copied it, right now. Yeah.
Yes, sir. It's showing.
I will
Yes.
should not take much time, right, to load it. Since it is public, I think it's taking time. Ravi, you got it?
Yes, sir.
So you can show, sir. I also got. You can see. You can see in Chrome
Yeah, now it has
or
come. It's late.
yes,
Yes, hello, Dr. Yes.
yes, yes,
It is taking time because of the container
yes,
access is required from the VM.
yes,
If you go to
yes,
the Docker engine, from Docker engine, it will try to access the container.
yes,
8080 is attached to the container, basically. Port.
yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So basically what we have done is you created the Flask image from the local VM, Linux VM, and uploaded into Docker Hub. From there, you downloaded into Azure Virtual Machine in Docker Engine, and you tested that image as it is working to share it to the developer. That is the outcome of the demo. Am I right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, good, good, good. I will stop recording.